Okotoks is a town in the province of Alberta, Canada, located approximately 18 kilometers south of the city of Calgary. With a population of just under 30,000 residents, it is one of the fastest growing towns in Alberta. With 15 main outfalls to the Sheep River from the storm sewer system, storm ponds are a vital and necessary part of Okotoks' storm water system. These ponds collect storm water and runoff, trapping sediment and other materials. Okotoks' storm sewer and drainage system consists of 117 kilometers of main lines with approximately 2,000 catch basins tied to the surface transportation network. When a dispatcher at the operations center receives a complaint of a clogged catch basin from a private citizen or public worker, the location is marked using a nearby address. When the dispatcher presses send, a notification comes up on the operator's iPad. The operator and crew will then go to the site to assess the situation.
We purchased the A7 because of the versatility of using it as a street sweeper or as a combination flushing unit to maintain our catch basin and our storm sewers. Our council really appreciated that it's a versatile piece of equipment, so it's not just tied up for doing street sweeping. And when we're not using it for a street sweeper, we use it for catch basin maintenance, cleaning out our catch basin so we have no dirt and silt making it into our stormwater system and then back into the river. So